What's up YouTube? Mackie Sank back here at another video. Sorry I haven't recorded in a hot while. Today, we're going to be playing Risk of Rain 2. I know, something a little bit new. Sorry that I haven't recorded in a while. I haven't recorded since like, I don't know, 6 months maybe. Sorry about that. But if you want to see more Risk of Rain videos, like, subscribe, comment down more Risk videos, or if you want to see more of the Let's Play of Overgrowth, now will be very nice. So, today, here, I am accompanied with another YouTuber, another YouTuber named Mist. You've seen him before in the Backrooms video. Today me and him are going to be playing Risk of Rain. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Currently, I have Discord muted because he is speaking with someone, and I'm trying to give him that privacy. So, yeah, we'll start the video. We just gotta wait on our pal Mist here. Then we should be goated. I'm a little shit at the game, you know. What I am trying to do now is get some regenerative scrap, which I think is the. Oh, there we go. Shift tab. Opens this. Alright. Sorry about that. I was doing my video intro. I had to mute Discord.
The mute Discord. You could have just.
Yeah, that's what I did on OBS though.
Oh, I mean, I guess I could.
Yeah, if you want to do your intro right now. Missed.
Have to cut that out now.
Fuck.
I guess you could say this is cheating, but I'm gonna be using artifacts.
I don't see that as cheating.
Yeah, I know you don't.
A lot of others see it cheating.
Yeah, it makes this game a lot easier. Not gonna lie.
Just loaded reach, yada yada. Alright. 25 minutes or less? Alright. Let's loader kill 3 other loaders in the bulwarks. And yeah, to mastery him, you gotta fucking obliterate yourself or beat the game online soon. Which I'm not capable of because I'm shit at this game. Yeah. I hate these. Hate these little modules. Chappelle. I'm gonna start this real quick.
Already? Wait.
I'm doing my shit.
I guess we'll do. Yeah.
Shit. Where's the other one? There she is. Oh shit! Grab.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Shit, just lag. Grab that. Grab that. Hook. Gotta get 5 moves. So I'm killing bitch.
I want my main damage to be lead, so. I gotta focus more of an attack speed, so this will be good.
With Huntress, you just have aimbot, don't you? Alright, going through.
Please.
Too late, hurry!
Why are you speedrunning this?
Speedrun!
You're going too fast. We're missing so much shit because of that.
It's only a
We're not
little
even
bit of
prepared to
stuff.
be here now.
You're on a time limit.
We're not.
Yes, you are.
In what way?
Difficulty.
Exactly.
I think OBS is taking all my shit. Let me just sit here for a little bit. Go here, go to graphics. Oh, they're already all the way down.
Yeah, shit going crazy on the daily. I don't see a reason why the fuck I should stop now. Thought I was the shit at the bottom. How you think I feel on top now? How you think I feel? Magnificent. Universe wrote my song, I'm just ad living it. I don't gotta say too much. Yeah. I don't gotta say too much. I don't gotta say too much. Nah, I don't gotta say too much. I don't gotta say too much. Yeah. Big shit poppin'. I realize I'm the gift, so this year I ain't going Christmas shopping. I've been hearing ching off and the pussy smooth slick Rick talking. He burnt out. 50 million for the catalog I turned down. I'm making money every second, you should learn how. These puppies barking at a wolf, why would I turn round? Swinging like the first round, even in the 12 bitch. Got myself rich, took the fan with me. Always the reality would turn into my fantasy. Want a chance with me, so she holler in the man city. Damn baby, no humanity, now you can't get it. Shit going crazy on the daily. I don't see a reason why the fuck I should stop now. Thought I was a shit at the bottom. How you think I feel on top now? Magnificent. Universe wrote my song, I'm just ad-libbing it. I don't gotta say too much. Yeah. I don't gotta say too much. I don't gotta say too much. Nah, I don't gotta say too much.
Call dibs on the legendary chest.
Bruh.
Nice. Now I'm gonna get like 10 points. You ready?
Yep. What happened?
Yeah, we lost. Focus one.
I just need damage. I could out heal them.
I can't.
You died?
Yeah.
Kamehameha. Hit me with the Kamehameha. Oh! Oh! Ouchies. Think I killed them. I guess I'll just take these green items. I guess I could use some more health. Where's the portal? Where's the portal at? Where the frick the portal at? Is there no portal? Oh no, found it. Just, yeah. Generative scrap. Generative scrap. Anything else? Check. No? Okay. Just need to hope that I grab the right.
What? I'm gonna lay down for a little bit.
We're halfway into the game.
Yeah. You can finish it.
Probably. Can you buy this for me, real quick?
Hell no, no wasting my shit.
Fuck you then.
Thank you.
Fuck.
See ya.
Oh, welcome back. Probably wondering, why am I back in the menu? And why am I by myself? Mist had to go do some stuff. So, I'm gonna continue this without him. And like how he said, he's gonna use artifacts, 'cause yada yada yada. Almost made it. Almost. Let's see. Time 55. That was fun. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the gameplay. If you want more, comment down below. Half of this will be edited. I've been recording for an hour and 38 minutes. Thank you for watching. And I hope you have a nice day.